Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. (2007) Ford Fusion drain and fill in the transmission. Got a drain plug here. We're going to drain the fluid out. I'm going to measure it so I can put the same amount back in. Just makes things a little faster for me. That's what we're going to do. Allen head. (10mm). Pretty dark. You might consider doing this 2 or 3 times on your own vehicle if it's pretty black. Just coming up on 3 quarts on my bottle. Three quarts, just below 3 quarts. So we'll probably drain and fill this 2 times, a little extra service. And we'll snug that down and get to filling it. So I pulled this out of the way to get to the fill drain down there, Torx bit bolt down there. So that's where I'm going. Unplug this red retainer. Has an O-ring on it. T35 Torx bit. Got our transmission funnel, and we'll put the required premium Motorcraft automatic transmission fluid in here. And we'll put about 3 quarts in. Since I'm going to drain and fill it twice, it doesn't matter quite right now how much I put in. Usually I just put 3 quarts in if it's close to 3 quarts, because I'll be draining it a second time. So pull the funnel out, hook everything up, and we're going to run it for 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll run it through the gears, and we'll re-drain it again, and then we'll talk about making sure it's full. The dipstick has a low range and a high range here. The low range is 20 degrees Celsius, and the high range is 85 degrees Celsius, top notch. (149 degrees for the top notch. Got back from like a 3-mile test drive. You can see it, 158 degrees on the scan tool, so that's good. It's a 3-mile test drive. I was running the shop for about 15 minutes too. I'm gonna use my gun here. We'll see what the transmission says down below. 135 to give you an idea. Dipstick's right back here. Looks like we're at the bottom line. So we can put some more in. For me, I'd put in two bottles and then this much, so I might put the rest in or close to it there. Under half a bottle. Get the drain plug out, kind of can reach through here. Loosen it up with my extension. I'm reaching here and get it that way. So I'll drop my funnel in there, top it off as needed. Just do a little bit at a time and keep checking your dipstick. And again, you want it no higher than the slash, so in between the two dimples here. And that is basically drain and fill on your Ford Fusion 2007 and other model years. You see your dipstick is here, and you can see that plug down here, and this video I'm sure is going to work for you. Good luck to you.